To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile settings. In your profile, tap on Settings to proceed. Then, navigate to Account and Security. At the bottom you will see Delete IMO Account. Tap on it to continue. Review the information provided, and then tap Apply to Delete to proceed. Select the reason for deleting your account from the available options. Tap the Continue to Delete button to proceed with the deletion process. Enter the phone number associated with your IMO account. Then tap the blue arrow button in the top right corner to proceed. Read all the important notices regarding deleting your account. Then tap Agree and Delete at the bottom to confirm. Tap Delete once more to finalize the deletion of your account. You will then see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been deleted. So that's how you can permanently delete your account on IMO.